Tired of scrubbing floors all the day? Don't worry, Steam Mops can make your cleaning faster, easier, and way more satisfying. Technology is getting better and better every day, and with each new release, it's easy to get distracted by what's trending and overlook the products that actually matter, the ones that are smart, practical, and built to improve your daily life. That's why we're bringing you 5 of the best options on the market right now. Whether it's for your home, office, or on-the-go lifestyle, these picks are more than just hype. They're genuinely useful, cleverly designed, and worth your attention. Let's get into it. The 5th product on this list is the Bissell PowerFresh Deluxe. It's a perfect gadget for anyone who wants spotless, sanitized floors without using harsh chemicals. With a quick 30-second warm-up time, it's ready to go whenever you are. And it doesn't just clean, it kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria on your hard floors when used as directed. One of the best parts? You can choose between high and low steam settings depending on how messy the situation is. Whether it's a quick daily refresh or deep grime from a big spill, this mop handles it all with ease. Its 12-inch cleaning path means you'll cover more ground in less time. Got a sticky mess that just won't budge? The onboard Spot Boost brush gives you that extra scrubbing power right when you need it. And while you're getting that deep clean, you'll leave behind a light, refreshing spring breeze scent. So your home not only looks clean but smells amazing too. The 25-foot cord gives you freedom to move without constantly switching outlets. And refilling is easy thanks to the included measuring cup. No confusing setups or extra tools. Just fill and go. Every Bissell purchase helps support the Bissell Pet Foundation, which helps save homeless pets across the country. So when you clean your floors, you're also helping animals find loving homes. If you're tired of mops that don't deliver or chemicals that leave your house smelling like a lab, the PowerFresh Deluxe is your all-in-one solution. Easy to use, powerful, pet-friendly, and eco-conscious. Want to learn more or see the most up-to-date prices? Just click the links down in the description box. The 4th product on this list is the DEVOAC VM6. If you're tired of scrubbing the same spot over and over, the DEVOAC VM6 might just be your new favorite cleaning weapon. This steam mop is built for real performance. No gimmicks, just pure cleaning power. Let's start with the steam. With one simple touch, it blasts out powerful steam that melts away even the toughest stains. Greasy kitchen spills? Mud tracked in by the dog? The DEVOAC VM6 handles it all with ease. In fact, its rotating pads scrub over 230 times per minute, making it up to 5 times more effective than regular mops. That means less elbow grease for you, and cleaner floors, faster. It's also smart. You get 3 steam modes: low for quick daily touch-ups, medium for regular cleaning, and high for those extra messy jobs. And the LED headlights? They light up hidden dirt under couches or cabinets, so nothing gets missed. Worried about getting into tight spaces? Don't be. The swivel head easily slides under furniture and around baseboards. Plus, the removable water tank makes refilling a breeze. No messy cups or spills. When you're done, just toss the washable pads into the washing machine. It's that simple. And yes, it's safe on all sealed hard floors, from tile to hardwood. You'll love how your floors look after just one glide. With a 12-month warranty and a full set of cleaning accessories, including a crevice brush, round brushes, scrapers, and more, the DEVOAC VM6 is ready for every surface in your home. Still haven't found the best steam mops for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. The 3rd product on this list is the Euroflex Vapour M2R. Let's talk about why the Euroflex Vapour M2R is making waves as one of the top-rated steam mops on the market. This isn't just a cleaning gadget, it's a cleaning revolution. Consumer Reports didn't just recommend it for nothing. It's powerful, smartly designed, and built to last with an unbeatable 5-year warranty and a lifetime boiler warranty. You're not just buying a mop, you're investing in spotless, streak-free floors for years. Ultra-dry steam technology is what really sets the M2R apart. Thanks to its patented internal boiler system, it creates steam up to 295 degrees Celsius, hot enough to blast away grime while drying in seconds. No puddles, no streaks, no mess. It's even gentle enough for sealed hardwood floors, protecting them from warping or discoloration caused by cheaper steam mops. Health-wise, you're covered. It kills 99.99% of germs, bacteria, allergens, and even viruses like norovirus and H1N1. That's hospital-level clean, right in your home. And with powerful one-click steam jets, you can target tough dirt with precision. No scrubbing needed. If you want cleaner floors, fewer chemicals, and a mop that actually lasts, the Euroflex Vapour M2R might just be the last one you ever need. The second product on this list is the Shark SD201. Why clean the hard way when one smart gadget can do it all? The Shark SD201 isn't just a steam mop, it's a total floor cleaning revolution. This 3-in-1 powerhouse is designed to pick up debris, scrub tough stains, and sanitize your floors all in one smooth motion. No more dragging out multiple tools or wasting time on pre-sweeping. With the Shark Steam Pickup, you clean faster and deeper every single time. It picks up wet messes, dry dirt, and even stuck-on gunk while steaming, thanks to its innovative nozzle that separates debris for mess-free disposal. And when it comes to stains, the motorized brush roll tackles them head-on, delivering 2 times better cleaning power than traditional steam mops. It scrubs, lifts, and wipes away grime effortlessly, without harsh chemicals. What makes it even smarter? The self-cleaning brush roll. It cleans itself while you clean your floors, so you're never dragging dirt around or dealing with messy mop pads. The quick empty tray separates wet and dry messes and pops off for easy, no-touch maintenance. Whether you've got hardwood, tile, laminate, or stone, this gadget is built to handle it all, gently and powerfully. And the best part? It kills up to 99.9% of bacteria using just water. No harsh cleaners, no chemical fumes, just clean, safe floors for your family. Before we reveal the best steam mops on this list, be sure to check out the description below for the newest and best deals on each of these items. Finally, our best steam mops is the Tineco FLOOR ONE S7. This is the ultimate 3-in-1 cordless floor cleaner that vacuums, mops, and steams all at once. Imagine cutting your cleaning time in half while getting your floors sparkling clean. With powerful 284-degree Celsius hypersteam technology, this device melts away grease and sticky messes effortlessly. Whether it's kitchen spills, bathroom grime, or tracked-in dirt, the Tineco S7 tackles it head-on using dual steam modes and a soft roller that scrubs with fresh water, all in one smooth pass. The real magic? It doesn't stop cleaning. Thanks to its MHCBS technology, the brush cleans itself continuously with 450 RPMs of fresh water rotation, keeping your floor spotless every second it's on. No dirty water recycling here, just constant freshness. And it's designed for real life. It's cordless, lightweight, and self-propelling, so cleaning your home won't feel like a workout. Just push and glide, it moves with you. Plus, the multi-step self-cleaning system takes care of the brush and tubes, drying everything with centrifugal force so there's no funky smell or grime left behind. If you're tired of cleaning in 3 steps and want spotless floors in one go, the Tineco FLOOR ONE S7 is your new best friend. Clean smart, not hard. Full product info and pricing are linked down below. Can't get enough? We've handpicked these next 2 videos just for you. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.